Welcome to episode 1014 of Apartment Hacker. This is Mike Burnett, Apartment Hackers. My mission to tease out human potential in the multifamily space. So I just want to disclose that there is something that I've been paying a lot of attention to that I've not talked about here on Apartment Hacker, but I will be communicating both by video, the podcast that we have up on 8 different platforms, Spotify, Apple Podcasts rather, Anchor and some others. But that is no code software, right? That is, in my head, the platform of the future, in that the normal everyday person like myself, like you, like anyone, can drag and drop a potential property management platform. Yes, I'm suggesting the Arties of the world. Yes, I'm suggesting the Real Pages of the world, the MRIs of the world, the Appfolios of the world. I can design such a platform, certainly probably not as sophisticated as those particular software services are today, but it's coming. I will have the ability as a business owner to create my own CRM, my drag and drop CRM, without any coding abilities, without having to be a software engineer. I can drag and drop those things into place. I could probably today put together a very crude property management software and make it work. But I do think that software is becoming, well, not even software, it's just no code software. It's coming together in a way that suggests to me that if you partner with the right firms, what I mean by that is I see a day where you just hire a very prominent, well-certified accounting firm, and you bolt together the property management platform for your team member interactions and your consumer interactions, and you don't need that backbone anymore. You don't need that very sophisticated software accounting platform that is built into your current property management. So you don't need that. You just hire an accounting firm to do that. And then you use no-code software to actually bolt together the actual property management system that governs your ins and outs and account reconciliations, at least from a paper standpoint, and those transactions are actually happening outside of your organization at something at a company that is more well versed in that is a subject matter expert in that many of things like that. But anyway, long story short is that I am passionately pursuing that avenue in the way of educating myself, creating a knowledge base, so that at some point where it makes sense, which I think is probably sooner rather than later, we can and you can bolt together your own thing and not be tied to these very expensive property management software platforms that have really handcuffed our industry in the way of being unbelievably innovative in the way that we offer our services. Take care. We'll talk to you again soon.